green tail.
Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different legs.
Ngathu gadil, Alberta. Yiyi Ngathu thawun, gadil, Lorretta. Wanhtharra nhundu, Lorretta.
Ngayu, ganaa, Alberta.
Let me explain what we just said. Ngathu gadil, Alberta. My name is Alberta. Ngathu is my and gadil is name. Repeat after me. Ngathu gadil. Kuraiko. Ngathu gadil. Ngathu gadil. Yiyi Ngathu thawun, Lorretta. This is my friend Lorretta. Yiyi is this. Thawun is friend. Repeat after me. Yiyi Ngathu thawun. Kuraiko. Yiyi Ngathu thawun. Yiyi Ngathu thawun. Wanhtharra nhundu. How are you? Wanhtharra is how. Nhundu is you. Repeat after me. Wanhtharra nhundu. Kuraiko. Wanhtharra nhundu. Wanhtharra nhundu. And this is the end of the lesson. I have to go now. Bye. Nā mākara.